me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today we are going to make Dhaba style Rajma. We will make it very quickly and easily at home. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe. For today's recipe, I took 1 bowl of Rajma of medium size and will soak it overnight. I'm going to boil it in pressure cooker up to 4 to 5 whistles. It will make the process much more easy. In a pan, added some ghee with this some bay leaves, some slitted red chilies, and will saute it well. It will give a nice aroma to the dish. Some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds. If you want, you can skip the coriander seeds. Give it a mix. Here I added some chopped ginger, some chopped garlic, and frying it. Here I made a paste of medium sized onion. We'll add the onion paste to the curry. Fry it well. Added some slitted green chilies, some turmeric powder, some red chilli powder, some garam masala powders. Fry the masalas well. Here made a puree of medium sized tomato and adding it directly to the pan. Cook it for 2 minutes. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, once the masalas are cooked nicely, here I am going to add the boiled rajmas along with the water. Give it a mix. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it absorb the flavor. Here I am going to add some ghee and going to mix it well. Your easy and simple Dhaba style Rajma curry is ready. Serve with some jeera rice and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the recipe, hit the like button, share with the family and friends. And for more such recipe, please do subscribe to my channel.